Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your GMC Yukon's rear entertainment system. This process allows passengers to enjoy movies, games, or other content directly from a smartphone. We will cover the essential ports, necessary adapters, and simple steps to get your device mirrored onto the two 12.6-inch high-definition touchscreens. Get ready to transform your vehicle's rear cabin into a personalized media hub for everyone. The primary way to connect your phone for video display is through the available HDMI ports. Many GMC Yukon models include one or two HDMI inputs, often found in the rear console or near the screens. For most smartphones, you will need a compatible HDMI adapter, such as a Lightning to HDMI for iPhones or a USB-C to HDMI for many Android devices. Some newer phones with USB-C can also directly connect for video. To begin, connect your phone to the appropriate adapter, then plug the adapter into one of the Yukon's HDMI or USB-C ports. Next, double-tap the rear entertainment screen to power it on. On the screen, navigate to the Watch Source menu and select either HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, depending on which port you used. Your phone's display should now be mirrored on the vehicle's screen, ready for viewing. For longer trips, remember to use one of the vehicle's power outlets, like the 110-volt outlet, to keep your phone charged. If your Yukon has a Wi-Fi hotspot, you can also stream content directly to the screens using built-in apps. For personalized audio, pair up to 9 Bluetooth headphones to the system. You can even share content between the two rear screens, allowing everyone to watch the same video simultaneously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.